Professional optical system design. 6.89K monochrome screen. High-speed printing. Secondary curing integration. Newly launched UV curing all-in-one machine. Perfectly integrated UV lamp. Rotating baking base. Fast and effective UV curing effect. The light strip has strong and effective penetration into printed objects. The rotary table is equipped with a key switch. After solidification, it can also be easily disassembled for printing. UV light source 60W 405 nanometers UV lamp. Print size 153.36 to 77.76 to 185 millimeters. Slicing software Chatterbox input file format STL. Power input 100 to 240 B-tilde, 90W air filtration supported. Connectivity USB port. Application scope